Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make scrambled eggs with our Mexican cooking salsa. Okay, so for this, when I wake up in the morning, I just want to scramble something really fast and without making any mess. So all I do is beat up some eggs and have that salsa ready. Just scramble this really good at this hot. And it's a no mess thing, so just pour it and just let it sit for some time. So now whenever you're making a scrambled egg, always let it go flow around first like that, and then just let the oil move around and then you scramble it. Okay, so some people like it too much, too fast, but in this case you just scramble it good and it is ready. That's it. You don't want it overcooking or anything like that. That's it. It's ready. Okay, my scrambled egg is done. It's nice and clean and everything. So all I'm doing is plating it. And for this, I have not added any salt. Remember, no salt, because my salsa, is what I do. I usually sprinkle a bit of this salsa on it, and my salsa has it has salt and pepper and everything. It's just little cilantro on it, and that's it. It's ready. Okay guys, we're gonna taste this, our scrambled eggs with the roja salsa. Like I said, it can be used with anything. So this is my breakfast. I've got some nice warm tacos ready. Let's taste this. It's just right. I didn't add salt to it, and because the salsa has all the flavorings to it. So if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!